So everything started already 2015 and 16 when we started with the first test, but it got more serious probably 5 years ago. That's when we started to really look into how can we create the best possible solution for alpine ski boots, and that's where all the development started through a lot of different stages.
Since 2018, I would say that materialized more and more, and we're getting into the first real development process of creating the system.
That's why we have people here who work on how a shoe is closed, how can we optimize that. It's not only we sell parts, we ship it to the partner and they do what they want. We are really involved in the development.
That partnership from prototyping to our brand partners has really helped to increase the development time and also searching out different configurations to go along with the performance fit benefits that we add to it. Now, as we've expanded and we've grown into the snow sports market through different Skimo touring boots and now with the Alpine launch, that's increased our abilities and the different things that we can do to create the samples and create the prototypes. We pulled out a couple of older samples as we started to work into the Alpine category. Cutting things open, chopping things up, putting them together is what we specialize in here. It's pretty cool expansion of what we've increased our abilities to do, to be able to investigate the different configurations into the Alpine ski boot.
Over the past 5 years, we really spent a lot of time in the development of the system, and now we are really confident in the durability of the system. It's very clear for us that this is going to be the future. That's why we are also very confident in providing our BOA lifetime warranty to the project.
As any other product developed with BOA fit system, we want to improve the fit and the performance. And our hypothesis when we started back in 2016, why to bring BOA on the ski boot world, basically is because our assumption is that with a more homogeneous fit, a wrap of the lower shell of the boot, we can increase the fit, thus increase the performance.
Fit means in ski boots you're better connected with your body to the equipment. Very similar to cycling. With a cycling shoe, it fits better, you're better connected, you connect your body better to the bike. And it's here exactly the same. You're ultimately better connected to the ski. And that's just really what it does. It wraps nicely around your foot, it gives a total different feeling in terms of that, closure or fit aspect of it. Wrapping around the foot locks in your heel perfectly, so you're really, really better connected to the ski boot.